Good morning. It's gonna have an RV gate. So good morning, I'm out here in Blue Horizons. This is a Barbosa floor plan. This home is canceling today. And so the sales agent that I network with, she messaged me and told me it's gonna be coming back on the market. It will sell. It will sell as quickly as any of the sales agents can see the update in the system. Lennar's policy is that their sales agents can sell from any community. So they do have some sales agents that have investors that buy a lot of homes. And so without any further ado, I'm going to go in and close the door. This is a corner lot, which is really nice. The people that had it built just had a baby, and they had cold feet, and they're backing out. So they had this built for themselves. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,800 square feet, 2-bay garage. And I'm gonna go through and show it pretty good detail. Lennar does build a really good quality home. They've got a great reputation, and all new homes are going to come with 3 warranties. So you get a 12-month, a 2-year, and then a 10-year warranty. The 12-month will cover basically all the appliances. The 2-year is like soup to nuts, that's everything. And then the 10-year is your foundation, structural. Lennar does do a very energy efficient home. They deliver a home with all window coverings, all appliances, including laundry machines. And in Blue Horizons, they've got gas. So you'll have a gas range and a gas dryer, which is great because it's more efficient. And if you cook, like I cook, and I really appreciate gas. And so I'm gonna go through right here. This is kind of like a Jack and Jill entry, his and hers. Bathroom with a nice tub. And then it goes to 2 other bedrooms over there, but I'm gonna go towards the front. Here's an inside laundry. Like I said, those machines will be put in. This home is pretty much done. I mean, they're still buttoning up things. They'll be done within a week to 2 weeks. They do not include ceiling fans. So Lennar does not put ceiling fans in. I kind of like that because they probably put something in that was cheap. It does have a water loop. It does include the opener. And then on that wall, you can see that little pad right there. That is for the water heater, which is on the outside of the home, and it is gas. So it's a Insta-Hot. So very, very efficient for a water heater, for your range, and for your dryer. It's got upgraded flooring throughout. So the base flooring has limited tile. This is extended, so it goes throughout all of the common areas and the wet areas. So kitchen, bathroom, hallways. The only thing that'll have carpet in this home are the bedrooms. So once again, the quartz here, quartz countertops. That's a really good looking color. Upgraded hardware. I'll go through these other 2 bedrooms. Here's that bathroom from the other side. Nice upgraded hardware on the doors. This room looks like it's 12 by 12, decent sized bedroom. Once again, about the same thing. Then you've got a hall closet. So if you worked at home, that front room could be like a home office, and it'll have some decent views out towards the mountains. And then I'll note that they do pre-wire for surround sounds, so you could put speakers up and have a really nice system. Stephanie, I'm not sure. Stephanie, are you there? Stephanie, this kitchen looks definitely bigger in person than it did on the walkthrough. So I'd say it's sufficient. This would be great to have a few bar stools, 3 to 4 right there. Living room set up over here. Small table over here maybe. And then there'll be, like I said, a stainless gas range, stainless microwave, dishwasher, deep sink. Very nice setup here. And then this is the quartz here. I forget the name of it, but this is a really popular one. And then decent sized pantry. And then I'll just go back. You can hear the jets from Luke Air Force Base. So nice size yard. This is a really nice size yard. You got a side and a backyard. And then I'm not going to walk over there just because it's all dirt. And I don't want to bring it back in the house. But there's an RV gate. So, like I said, someone had the home built. And they did upgrade that RV gate. And the flooring. And then here's our master bedroom. Which looks like it's, I'd say 15 by 14. And then you've got his and hers. Same white cabinetry. A nice size closet with the technology center. And I know, Stephanie, I just realized this. You'd said that you're looking for a big soaking tub. This particular model does a really nice custom shower only. I'm not sure if that'll be a deal breaker. Beautiful though. I love the subway tile. And then, of course, a separate toilet room. Okay, so that's 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We're in Blue Horizons. This is a Lennar quick move-in home. It will come back active today. The pricing will be updated, so I don't know what it'll be. It might be, I'm thinking, $295,000 to $300,000. What they do is when they have a cancellation, they just calculate this price based on current pricing. So they'll go to current base pricing plus upgrades plus the lot premium, and they'll come up with their final price. So that is still to be determined. And Lennar does offer $5,000 towards buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. And I'll note this, I've got an app from my lender, and I just put in $300,000 at 2.75%, which is a rate that I was quoted just this weekend by my lender. And on an FHA loan, that payment came out to right at $1,500. So pretty amazing. FHA is 3.5% down. If you've got a 3.5% down payment, that could be gifted. That could come from a family member. It could come from a 401k liquidation, stocks, bonds, any number of ways. Like I said, on an FHA loan, that down payment can be gifted. There is also down payment assistance programs where basically they're adding the down payment that they're giving you into the interest rate. And so I always say, if you can come up with the money and lock in the interest rates that are offered today, because they are at all-time lows and they just give you that much more buying power, right? And so at $1,500 a month for a $300,000 purchase, that's financing right at 289-ish, and at 2.75%, it just doesn't get. Right now, it hasn't, from history till now, it doesn't get better than that. And so real estate is a great long-term investment, right? If you buy a house like this and have a payment of $1,500 a month, you just can't go wrong. There's some construction going on across the street, which is what's really good is that the other home right here on the corner that the guys just are doing the slab, that foundation, which will be done today. That home will be done in 3 months. And the other homes on the block will be done before that. Okay, Andrew Texador with HomeSmart. I really do like the Lennar homes. Stephanie, are you there? Can I see? Let me see if I can see. Let me see if I can see anything from anyone. I wish I could see if you were talking or messaging. I did want to go back to the kitchen, though, and just show how big it is, because it is significantly bigger in person than it did look on that Matterport walkthrough. And this is where most people spend their time, right? The kitchen into their living room. And so I like that. This is nice and open. The way that they've got the wiring set up, you could put a TV on that wall or on that wall, either way, and it would work. It's got nice light that comes in naturally from these windows. I really like the backyard. I like that it's a corner lot. There's no neighbors behind. Also, there's a little park, and I'll walk over there. And they also, another thing that Lennar does is they bring the gas to the back. So if you wanted to put a barbecue or a spa or a fire pit, you could go right off of that very easily. I'm going to walk around the corner. We're at the corner of 202nd and Morning Glory. Address is 20245. There's mountain views out there to the west. And I like the landscape that they did, the little river rock action. And like I said, this house will be probably 3 months out. Everything else will be done inside of that, probably 60 days. And these homes, they're just finishing up as well. So that's good because the construction will be out of the way. And a lot of these homes are starting to close escrow. It's just becoming more and more rare to find these quick move-in homes just because the demand is so. Nice green belt right here, right behind the home. That's definitely an upgrade that you don't have, a home behind you with neighbors looking over. And on this side, this is the arbors. The arbors area. And most of the homes here are single level. There's, I think, 4 or 5 total 2 stories in the arbors, which is this little enclave right here. It's, 4 streets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my phone is starting to go, so I'm going to cut this off. Stephanie, if you've got any other questions, let me know. I'm going to be hanging around for a little bit. And I can always go back in. What I do like is that this has one of those flat tile roofs. They lock in really good, and they don't shift as much as like the next one. It's got that scalloped roof. And I love the colors. Got like a chocolate and a gray. Alrighty, Andrew Texador, let me know if you have any questions. And we'll check in later on.